me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now
welcome back, peeps. I don't know, I'm there back with the next video. You see me, guys? So today we're doing at the wilderness. You see me? We're in the jungle today. So today we're gonna do a 12-hour survival challenge, guys. You don't know, we have to live off of anything we can find around. You see me? So all I have today, I have my tent set up today. So you know, I'm gonna set up the tent and I'm finished. Because we're gonna be here for the entire day and it's really raining. You see me, guys? So we're gonna see what we can get from the whole everything around us. So anything around us I can eat. You don't know that we have to eat for the next 12 hours. You see me? So right now we just reached a spot and we're gonna set up the tent. I don't know, we're gonna head up the stream, see if we can get like no fish or anything like that, any form of food, yam, any little thing we can dig and find. We're gonna eat today. You see me, guys? So right now, as I say, we're gonna set up the tent and show you guys, and I don't know, we're gonna head out and see what we can scavenge for and see what we can eat today, because we have to find something to eat because we don't want to starve down here today. You see me, guys? Because we're like miles right now away from home. You see me? So yeah, we're just gonna see what we can find, and we don't know, that's what we can find, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what we can find and show you guys what I want for the next 12 hours. So keep on watching and stay tuned. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. I hope you all enjoy this one, you see me? So let's go now. How far I come from when I'm mud and all sorts of something reach here. But here's the tent set up to the peeps. Don't know. I'm gonna set up a tent now. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna set up a tent now and get everything together and we'll see if we can find some food, because don't want to starve to death down here today. Use that shelter for today because the rain might come back, because we can hear the thunder and everything. So right now we're gonna set up the tent and I don't know, we're gonna get some food. Don't know what we might catch, but we're up on a little creek. There's a little creek system up there in the hills. Well, not far from here because we reach a spot, as we say. And we're gonna look if we can get like some mullets, maybe crayfish, mudfish, anything we can find off that little creek, and you don't know that we're gonna have for dinner and lunch also, because we don't have to come back and still look for more stuff to eat. So right now we just have to do that and see what we can get. So all that's left, we just add on the rain fly to it, because the rain might come in soon, as I say. Sky, this is how the sky look. One part over there dark and here is actually clear, but we don't know what might happen. So we're just finish it up. We're gonna head out and put in the stuff from inside, and we're gonna head out, see if we can get some food. So I don't know, we're gonna close it up and we're gonna head out, get some food, and we're gonna come back to the tent, guys. We're gonna fall, so we have to try see if we can get some food before it starts fall. Try if we can catch a fire. Yeah, me have a lighter. Yeah, so that's cheating, because I don't know survive. We must have a lighter, but there's no thing already. Yeah, man. So we have to try get some food now before the rain come. See if we can catch up a fire and try get something to eat, guys, because we don't eat nothing from morning. You need to get something to eat. We don't want to starve to death down here. Yeah, so we're gonna head out now and we'll get something to eat and show you guys what's up. Come on, so let's go. Alright guys, remember I was saying we want to head out before the rain. Unfortunately, the rain beat me. So right now I'm in the tent, the rain will fall. Don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's coming down right now. Yeah, so We're just gonna go and wait a little more. Let the rain blow off and we're gonna head out, try get some food, isn't it guys? We don't know how we're gonna catch up a fire, but we're gonna try something today, isn't it guys? So keep on watching and stay tuned and see what we're going. Just about 10, the rain just gave her ease. So I don't know, we're gonna head up the creek now. We have a line set up here. Let's see if we can get some worms and so we can get out of the creek and see if we can get some mullets, mudfish, anything we can find in it will carry back. We'll see if we can find like some yam and everything that the bush same way. So we don't know, we're gonna head out now and see what we can get. So catch you guys when we reach the creek. Okay peeps, so we just come up on this on the creek. So you guys can see, it's this nice water stream right up. So I'm going to continue to go upstream. But guys, we just see a massive mullet in the right there. But we can't catch him yet because we don't have the bait to the line. So I'm going to get some worm and we'll come back and see if we can catch him guys. So we could just get some worm now. We'll dig some worm guys to see if we can catch that mullet because survival of the fittest, so we can get. This is quite small. Alright guys, so we'll find a few worms, let's see if we can use them here now and catch some fish. As I said, I see one in the water before, so I'm going to see if we can get him out with the fishing line and a hook and the worm that we just got. So yeah, I see him here guys. Yeah, they're near, so we'll try to see if we can catch him now and see if we can bring him out back. Alright, so I'm going to throw it on the rock because we don't want to frighten him if he can go run. And then we're going to draw it come closer to him. Okay guys, so throw it out there now. So I'm just wait for him to get it. And we just drop the line and see if we can get it now. Okay guys, play the line. So let's see if we can catch that one here guys, because we have nothing else to eat, so we have to try and get some fish from out this water. You see me? Yeah guys, we got him! That right there is going to be lunch. Oh my god. Guys, look at the first one. We get out of this little water with the worms that we just caught. So guys, caught a nice fish here. Yeah, man. So this guy is called a mullet. Call him a mullet. So guys, we get this off of the line now. Put him out of his miseries. And now we are going to put him on a string and we are continue to go up the stream and see if we can catch him more because one alone I can't do. But that's what we can do, guys. Yeah! Guys, this is so good right now. So now we get a nice fish. So now we're going to put him up now and see if we can go upstream and see if we can catch him more. So I'm going to put it up now. Guys, look at the beauty on this thing. Yeah. Okay guys, this is a mullet. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get the hook out of his mouth. And that, my friend, is going to be lunch. Guys, look at this. I'll try and get through this passage. And guys, look at this rock. This rock is huge. Guys, but we want to get to the other side. So, might have to go around or we'll go up the hill. Yeah, so we'll try to go up the hill, guys. And see if we can reach on the other side. So we can see if we can get 2 more fish. And we'll get something else to eat with the fish. Which maybe see if we can dig some yam or something, guys. So we could go up through the bushes now. Oh, this is quite sketchy. Wow. Alright guys, we made it up from that rock. We're gonna head up the stream more, see if we can find any more fish. Alright guys, so a while ago, just here on its mullet, right under that rock. So I'm gonna throw the line there, see if we can get him. Alright guys, since that one now go for the bait, so we'll go continue head upstream and see if we can get any more up the stream. Because this one hide under the stone and him now go for the bait, so we'll see if we can go up this upstream. Oh wow guys, look at this. Yeah guys, I was just coming upstream looking for more fish and look what I stumbled on. This massive, amazing waterfall. You see me guys, so these are things that in nature. Come on guys, I never see this before and the first time I see it, so it looks really nice. Just looking at this water, yo, it's just amazing, yo. Wow. Alright guys, so I'm see 2 mullet in this area, right below the waterfall, which is right there. So then we're going to throw the line in and see if we can get any. Okay guys, so I've been fishing up this creek for maybe like half hour to 45 minutes and we only get 1 fish. So I'm still there here at this little spot I try to see if we can get one from it because I saw two of them that are in good size, but seems one of them is going for the bait. So what I might have to do is just head back downstream and see what else I can find. You see me guys, so right now just let us roll up the line and try to go back downstream and see if we can get any more downstream. If I can't, you know, I'm going to hit the big river and see what we can get out from it. Okay guys, so keep on watching, stay tuned. Alright guys, so y'all heard earlier when me say you don't know if we look yam, fish or something. I got one fish and right now I'm gonna try get a yam. Found a yam here. You know guys, so I'm gonna try to dig it. I think it's right here. Yeah, see it here guys. This is the yam. So I'm gonna try get it out. Now if I dig it, so I'm gonna use my hand. Snap. As the yam isn't ready as yet. This is how it looks. It's not ready yet. So what I'll have to do, I'll just put it back. Yam not ready. So we'll put it back, cover it up, make it go on bare. Alright guys, I was really hoping that that yam would be good, but it's not ready as yet, unfortunately. So hopefully we can find something else which we can use for roast and eat with the fish, because if not, just have to eat some fish. Alright guys, we come across our next yam. We find one piece here. Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can dig it from here. Guys, hopefully this one good. Alright peeps, so we get them two yam here from out of the dirt. So use this stick to dig them. Yeah, so guys, you know we have yam and fish today, so we now go dead for hungry. So we are head out back now and we are going to see if we can cook up them here. But we need to get our next fish, so I'm going to try to make it happen at the river. Spear two fish and come back, and we're going to have a feast after. So let's just get out of here now, because the insects, mosquitoes and everything right now, they might go crazy. So we need to head out right now. So we'll head out now and go back out to the tent, and we'll put down the yam them, and we'll see if we can jump into the water and spear two fish to go along with the one that I caught, to go along with this one, and then we're going to catch up a fire. We're gonna roast them up. So we're going to do that now. Okay guys, so we made it back. Look at this. I'm muddy as heck. See guys, so we made it back out by the tent. You see me guys, so as you guys see, we have one fish here. We'll see if we can get some more. We have the yam, which we are gonna roast early soon. So we need to get some more fish so we can get them for roast guys. So I don't know. Reach back at the tent, we're gonna wash off in the river, we're gonna get the spear gun, we're gonna get the goggles, and we're gonna hop in the river and see if we can get two fish. You see me guys, so let's just go and get that done so we can come back and start cook them up. Alright peeps, so just left out of the stream guys and decided to come to the river. And look what we find. We find this amazing tilapia, yo. Guys, right now a bigger one just run past, swam past, and we have to get him. You see me guys, so I end this one, put this one out of his miseries, and we're gonna go off for the bigger one then. You see me guys, so make we go to that now. Hey peeps, so just got tilapia number 2. Hey guys, hoping I hear me clear. Yeah man, so we just shoot the second tilapia. So we have 2 tilapia now, and as I say, a big one is there. He may try go for. So I'm gonna go back up the stream, see if we can get him. And then we are gonna head back to camp where we are gonna cook them up, you see me guys? So we are gonna roast them with some yam, you see me guys? So make we just do that now and head back down the stream. Okay guys, so just got fish number 3. Guys, these are some really nice tilapia. So them just so nice. Okay, guys, so this one along with the 2 I have. You don't know, them 3 here I got bit dinner today. So go back on land. There's a few more in here, but we're not gonna go for them today. Because we don't need no more than 3 fish, right? Because it's just me alone. So we're gonna come on right through the eyes. Okay guys, so okay guys, so yeah, if you ever get in the hills, just try to get a fishing gun. Yeah, so we have 3 tilapia guys. I don't know, so we have food. Yeah guys, so see there, we got to 3 fish, which are gonna be dinner today guys. So I don't know what to say. Survival challenge. I don't know when I buy anything from the supermarket, from the shop, nothing. We just come into nature, use the environment, get food from the environment. You see me guys, we just get food from the surrounding. So the river here, and all the way up, you know, the why just pure mountain and hills surround me right now. You see me guys, so I don't know. We get them here and we dig the yam and we go catch the fish with the line earlier. So we're gonna go back down to the tent you know, where we're gonna cook up them here and have a feast guys. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so we get 3 tilapia. Hey guys, so this is gonna be lunch now. So we get them by the river, clean them up with the other little one that we catch in the creek, and we're gonna roast it with the yam, and just that gonna be lunch today. You see me guys, so we could just get that done right through the eye guys. So we get that done now and get something to eat, because as I'm saying, I eat from morning, really hungry right now. So just catch up the fire now and get the fish them clean up, and then you don't know we're gonna roast them up with the yam. So we could just get that done now. Alright guys, so we got to fish them now, where we're gonna scale them up. Alright guys, so see if we can get to like some fillets off of these guys, because we really don't want the bone. We'll try to see if we can get off as much as the meat as we can off of the tilapias, even though they're not that big, but we'll see what can go on. Guys, bear in mind, I don't usually do these things, so I might not do it right. As I say, the fish are not that big. So here's it guys, this is what we got. So we're going to season this and we're going to roast it to eat with the yam today. So we'll do that to the other side now. So this is how it looks. We're going to do it to the other side now, and then when we finish we're going to show you guys everything will finish. So guys, see there, we get off most of the meat off of the tilapia. So this is what's left. See me guys, so don't know what I'm going to do with this as yet. Maybe I'll just put it down in the bushes. My mongoose or something can come and eat it. But we'll do this to the rest of them now. Get off most of the meat. So we'll do this to the rest and we'll go catch up a fire to start roast with tilapia. Alright guys, so see the fish them here, we fillet. Yeah, so we'll just throw them here up on the line and maybe dogs or mongoose will come and eat them soon. So I throw them there, and as I say, maybe by a couple hours after, mongoose come eat them. So that's the waste. Yeah man, and see everything here now guys, the nice fish fillet them, the tilapia. Yeah guys, so some nice meat right now. So I get them here up on the site you know, catch up the fire. Get them up on the site now, catch up the fire, don't know say. We're gonna look about dinner because it's not lunch anymore because it's like 3 PM right now. So we'll get that started out and see if we can get something to eat because I'm really hungry right now. So we could just go do that now and so I'll go on. Hey peeps, that's it there. We just get to fire stick them. So we'll catch up a fire now. Make it go and burn out and we'll go and season up with fish. Cause I don't know if we get something to eat because you have to try and survive guys. 12 hours right now, I'm there from morning. Just finished sort out something to eat from where I look food. The rain come. See there right now we just have to look about something to eat guys. So yeah, it's really a challenge to be honest. So it's really a challenge out here right now. So yeah, I just have to go make up my fire and see if we can get this fish them seasoned up and drop them on the fire, make them go and cook and the yam also. So I could just catch up the fire now. Alright peeps, so catch the fire now. So we are seasoning up the fish. We have some liquid, we have some jerk season, which is really some jerk season on it, and we are going to build up a little grill on the top of that. So we can just drop the some sticks across. Just drop the fillet them on it and make them go and cook guys. But we just make that go and burn out and then we will drop in with yam and everything. But I put in the yam first so it go and roast while let me burn out. So see the yam here peeps, I put it on top along with this little one. So I make them here go and burn out. Yeah guys, so everything coming along perfect. Here you go. Nice fillet them season up and everything guys. So all we need to do is just build up a grill. I'll grill them here now. Is it so just go and wait on them here to burn out so we can put on. This is the yam peeps. Yam is cooking. So make them go and burn out and then we're gonna build a structure over it and roast up them fillet here. So with that being said now, I get the sticks I'm gonna use and build the grill over it. fish, fillet them. You don't know them come on well. So I'm just make them go and cook now, peeps, and then we'll take out the yam, and then you know we're gonna eat some food, isn't it, guys? Because as I say, really hungry right now. So we just want to get them here finished so we can have something to eat, isn't it? So I give them here about say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we're gonna take them off back, get the yam ready. I don't know we're gonna have something to eat. So stay tuned. So I'm currently at the tent right now. I'm gonna wait for them to let them finish. Guys, so I don't know, we come out here today. So yeah, we have to survive off all we can catch. So we catch some fish, we're gonna eat them there. We dig some yam, we're gonna eat that also. You see me, guys. So we come, we never know if we'll get anything, but in high hopes, we decide to have to try to get something and see there. Get some fish and thing right now. Just wait for them ready now if we get something to eat, because I'm super hungry and I bring nothing else with me. And I eat nothing for morning, so I just decided to have to come out here and get something. So that made me even more determined to try and get something. You see it? So we're at the tent right now. I'm just going to wait for them to finish. After we just don't eat, we get some water, and then you don't know, so we just have an easy bucket until certain hours. Then we're gonna head home back because we have a good walk to do. So you guys just keep on watching. Hope y'all enjoying the video, and remember to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, so we could just go and finish with them fillet here. Guys, everything finished now. Yeah. Yeah, guys, see there, tilapia fillet. Yeah, man. So I don't know, we're gonna taste test this, and then we're gonna take out the yam out of the fire, and then we're gonna eat the yam and the fish after. We'll just eat these two first. So we're gonna taste it now and see what go on. Alright, guys. That's the bone. It's good. You guys see? Wow. Guys, it's really juicy. And it's just fresh from the river. That makes it even better. Guys, let's just finish off this, and then we have to take out the rest along with the yam. Wow, it's just amazing. Alright, so I have to cut the yam now. Ooh, the yam's out. Now we take out the rest of fish. Ooh. You guys see fish here. Yeah, guys, the meat is so good. Imagine for them to fry. But yeah. So as for the yam now, you know, we're gonna split the yam in two. Look at that juicy soft yam. Oh. Guys, peeps, so we're gonna yam and fish. Alright guys, so we're gonna now, we're gonna taste it now. Guys, the fish is really good. Except there's some little fine bones. I don't want them to go down the throat. Guys, I really enjoy the fish right now. And trust me, it's so good. Yeah guys, so we basically complete the challenge. We get something to eat. We get food guys, so that was the mission. And we complete it. Look at this nice piece of fish. Guys, so I left here skin. Yeah peeps, so mission completed guys. Survived for the 12 hours. So come on tonight, you know guys, place I get kinda dark. Just don't finish to eat, relax as well. Yeah peeps, so I don't know, the video has come to an end guys. We pack up everything, pack up. There's my little fire there, so fishing got on tripod. So you don't know, the video has come to an end peeps. I'm hoping you all enjoy this one and give it a big thumbs up. Remember to share it, subscribe to the channel also. Listen me guys, so right now we're gonna head back home because we have as I said before, we have a long journey either way, so we're gonna hit the road now. Yeah, we're gonna hit the road now and head up the hills them and go back down to where I live. So we're gonna head home now. So peace out for now guys, and I hope you all enjoy this one. So until my next upload, catch you guys.